Hello guys, you are in Krambo again, and today I'm going to show you a very simple but very fun cha-cha-cha basic step. But before you actually take your shoes, let me explain something. There's this word called cha-cha and cha-cha-cha, and some people say that in Cuba the word cha-cha relates to your bum. So please, if you want to dance cha-cha-cha, say that you are dancing cha-cha-cha. Plus, another disclaimer, we are not dancing here a ballroom cha-cha-cha. Ballroom dancing, ballroom world, which I respect and I admire a lot, but this is completely different cha-cha-cha than what I'm going to show you now. And I'm going to show you a cha-cha-cha social club dancing style, which we use when we dance salsa. We tend to switch it for cha-cha-cha sometimes. So cha-cha-cha, it used to be called like it's a mambo, slower mambo version, or cha-cha-cha was the salsa for people who couldn't keep up with the fast tempo and fast rhythms of mambo. Historically, cha-cha-cha started to be very popular in the 50s, then it migrated and changed it into boogaloo. You might hear this name as well, but I will not go too deep into that. Today I'm going to show you a very simple basic step of the cha-cha-cha. And remember, it has to be simple and it has to look very light. Okay, the rhythm is very simple and it helps me to understand, and it will help you to understand the rhythm of salsa as well. Because basically the congas are playing the same rhythm, which is cucu, tucu, pa, cucu, cucu, 1 and 2 and 3 and tucu, 5 and 6 and 7, cha-cha, 1 and 2 and 3 and cha-cha, 5 and 6 and 7. So basically the conga rhythm, which is tucu, pa, cucu, pa, is changed into the cha-cha 1 and 2 and 3 and cha-cha 5 and 6 and 7. Okay? And cha-cha steps should be very light. You should be very light on your feet. So don't go too much straight. Don't go straight. You have to relax a bit. So you put your bum slightly downstairs, and we can start from the cha-cha-cha with the right foot. So it's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, 6, 7. Cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, to the corner, cha-cha, right, left, right, cha-cha, left, right, left, cha-cha, right, left, right, cha-cha, left, right, left, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 5, 6, 7, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 5 and 6 and 7, cha-cha-cha. So as you can see, I'm stepping little steps forward, okay? And I start by bending my knees and going into the correct position. So make sure you don't stand straight. You bend your knees, okay? Stay on your left and go forward with your right. We go 2 little steps, cha-cha, and then the third step is my 1, 2, 3, then with my left, I go little steps, cha-cha, and I finish left, right, left. So it's right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, cha-cha, 1 and 2, 3, cha-cha, 5 and 6, 7, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7. Okay? One tip for you, okay? Don't put too much weight and too much power into the cha-cha steps. Okay? Focus on the first step. So it's not cha-cha that you are focusing on. Focus on the 1. So it's cha-cha 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha 5, 6, 7. Cha-cha 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha 5. So my first steps are simple and are soft. Soft, soft, 1, 2, 3. Soft, soft, 5, 6, 7. Soft and 1, 2, 3. Soft and 5, 6, 7. Soft, 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha 5 and 6 and 7. Okay, the last thing and the last tip is about your body positioning. So make sure that your chest is open and you slightly lean forward towards the movement, because we dance a progressive steps, progressive style, progressive dance. Cha-cha-cha as well is dancing forward and back, so we need to be progressive. Okay, bend your knees and keep your bent position of the legs all the time. So don't go up straight. We do not use the straight legs and straight hips positions, okay? We use the relaxed legs. It's like normal, natural position for everybody. Plus my arms, as you can see, I keep them ready. So my palms are always higher and above my elbows, okay? I don't go like this, 1, 2, I keep my palms above my elbows, okay? So it looks nice, it looks natural, and I'm ready to dance with the partner. So I can grab her hands, I can turn her around, okay? And I'm ready to dance. And basic, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 5, and 6, and 7. That's it, guys. Now let's do it with the music. Cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, right and right, 2, 3, left and left, right and right, stay soft, to the right, relax, cha-cha-cha, 2, breathe in, breathe out, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, cha-cha-cha, relax, in place, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, cha-cha-cha. 6, basic, cha-cha-cha. 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 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. The rhythm, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 6, 7, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, 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 6, 7, 8. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, just press the like button and subscribe to the channel so I can grow and I can do some more videos, and that's the way also you can support me. If you have any questions, just write it in the comments. I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. Find me on Facebook and find Krambodance on Instagram. We can always switch ideas, or we can talk about salsa or cha-cha-cha. Make sure you contact me as well. Bye-bye.